Hello, welcome to question number 2 as the continuation. The sum of ages of a woman and her daughter is 48 years. In 4 years' time, the ratio of the ages of the woman to that of the daughter's age is going to be 7 is to 2. We have to find their present age. So, in order to find their present age, let's say we let x be the okay, let x be the woman's age, then we let y be the daughter's age. So first statement, sum of their ages is 46. So that means that x plus y equals to what? What do we have? 46 as the first word equation. So this x is unknown, y is unknown, so we cannot proceed. So let's go to the second part. In 4 years time, so let's say in 4 years time, what happened? The woman age is going to be x plus what? 4. Because 4 years time they will increase age, then the daughter's age will also be y plus what? 4. See, these are their ages in 4 years to come. Then this year we are having the ratio of the ages, which is x plus 4 and the y plus 4 will be 7 is to 2. So we can take this as a ratio that will imply that x plus 4 y plus 4 will be equals to, don't forget x is the woman, so corresponding to 7. 7 is to what? 2. Remember, ratio is also a fraction. So x plus 4 is to y plus 4 equals to 7 is to 2. It's the same as the fraction we have. This is a proportion. So we can cross multiply, making 2 multiplying x plus 4, 7 multiplying y plus what? 4. Let's expand to have our 2x, then we have plus 8, 7y plus what? 28. Let's group like terms further. So I have my 2x bringing in minus 7y equals to 20. 8 minus what? 8. This is going there to give you what? 20. That's the second equation. So now we can solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously in order to find the values of their respective what? Ages. So what do? Let me indicate equation 1 here by 2 will give me 2x plus what? 2y equals to 92, making equation 3. As a multiplying equation 1 by what? 2. In order to eliminate the x, they have the same variable. What do? I can have the equation 3 minus equation 2, meaning 2x minus 2x, 0. 2 minus negative 7 will give you positive 9y. 92 minus 20 will give you 72. I guess fast forward, we can say that if you divide by 9, y is going to be equals to what? 8. Now what do we need? We need both the x and what? The y. So let's put y equals to 8 in any of the equation. Which of the equation? Equation 1. Let's use equation 1. And this equation 1 is x plus y, which is 8, equals to what? 48. Let's see if I can buy space here. So from here, I can say that my x equals to 48. Is it 48 or 46? It's 46. So let's go with 46 minus 8. And that gives us what? 38. All right. Remember, we have the various values. X is representing what? The woman. and the Y is representing what? The daughter. So we can conclude and say that, therefore, so the conclusion could be the woman's present age is 38 and the daughter's present age is what? 8. If we are to follow their ages to be equal to 48, if you add 46, if you add, this will give you what? 46. All right. I guess concept clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not, and come back for question number 3.